Are you still looking at the cat? Look at cat there. Cat there. Yeah, what do you want? I don't know. Hey. Here. Look at that feel. You can... I feel bad, but also I don't feel bad. Would you stop looking at the cat? I want food. You want food? I think she... Yeah, she's looking... You want food? I don't know. Yeah, she's at the fat, so she's looking at me now. Hey, where are you going? Hey, Trigger. That's his name, Trigger. I named him. Wait. She's still looking at that cat. Yeah, I'm gonna go see what's wrong with that cat. Here, let me go. Oh, never mind. Fine then. I'm not gonna feed you. You want me to go see what's wrong? You're not going to look at the cat. Oh. Okay. What do you want? Okay, now she goes away. What? Why is every animal in the entire world looking at me? Or on the entire house. Every animal is looking at me. They're like, what are you doing? I'm not doing anything. What do you want? Oh my goodness, what is going on? Yeah. Huh? Such a sweet dog.